So, this is Discover 4, Units 11 and 12 speaking test. My name is Mikey. Can you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Trung. I'm from class Discover 4B. I am now 30 years old and studying in grade 7.
Okay. So, tell me something that you like, something interesting about yourself.
Well, I like to play games and I don't like to study much.
You don't have to study much. You seem to do well in my classes. Okay, let's start then on slide number 1, viruses. What do you know about them?
Viruses are small living things that we can't see with our bare eyes, that we will have to use the Microsoft. There are two
Microsoft?
No, I mean microscope.
Okay.
And there are different type of viruses. One that help us and one that harm us.
Okay. Right. Okay. So, tell me then, how can the virus affect our bodies?
They
What
can
happens?
affect our body if on our skin have a scratch, or they can enter us by the nose if we touch our hand up to the nose.
Good. Okay, so they can enter our body. What do the viruses do? What are the symptoms if you get a virus such as this one, the influenza?
We will feel like we will have a headache, dizzy, and tired.
Okay, tired, yeah. What happens to your body temperature?
It will get higher.
Good, yeah, so we have a high body temperature. Do we have lots of energy or no energy at all?
We will have no energy at all.
Good, well done. So it really makes you feel sick and tired and unwell, right?
Yes, and it also makes us cough real much.
Okay, good. Now, what ways can the virus get into our body?
They can get into our body by scratches or getting by the nose or mouth
Okay,
or eyes.
good, well done. So they can come through cuts or through parts of your body where it is open. Now, what is our body's defense against these viruses?
Our body defends us by the skin that help us which is made out of dead bacteria.
Okay,
Then
it's not made. It's made from skin cells. Okay, but we have bacteria on our skin. Yep.
Made out of skin cells.
Good.
And the viruses can't affect us. But if on our body have a scratch or some kind of
Cut.
then the virus may enter.
Okay, good. So our skin is the first defense. Yep. What is the second defense?
If we get cut into the skin, then the virus can alternatively just get into our blood, and that's when white blood cell goes out and solves the stuff.
Good. Well done.
But if we get infected by the nose and mouth, then the nose hair will count the virus before they could enter.
Okay.
If the viruses can go through, then the mucus will trap it and bring it to the stomach acid.
Fantastic.
If they still survive through those and get into the blood, then white blood cell will go and so forth.
Brilliant. Yeah, fantastic. So what are these defenses called?
They are called the immune system.
Immune system. Brilliant. Well done. So what can we do to protect our bodies from these viruses?
We can do exercise,
Good.
go on a diet, and eat healthy food.
Good, well done. Yeah, so eating healthy food improves our immune system, right? And we can do this by exercise as well. Brilliant. What can we do to our bodies to stop or prevent the virus from coming in?
We can
To do with our hands.
we should wash our hands before we touch our nose or mouth.
Fantastic, good. So the virus can live in our hands. As soon as our hands touch our body, on the face, then the virus can get inside, okay? So we can take some actions to prevent. Okay, the respiratory system. what is the main job of the respiratory system?
The respiratory system helps us to breathe.
Okay, so it helps us to breathe. What is the job though of breathing? What are we doing?
We breathe in and breathe out.
Okay, what are we breathing in?
The oxygen.
Okay, good. So the respiratory system, the main job is to get oxygen into our body, yeah? Okay. What are the main parts of the respiratory system?
The main parts are the lungs.
Okay, good.
The heart.
The heart?
Yeah.
In the respiratory system?
The lungs.
Good.
And this.
Yep, what is the name of this?
The artery.
Not the artery, it's the letter D.
Diaphragm.
Good, okay, so we have the lungs, the diaphragm. What is the name of this? Begins with the letter T. Trachea, brilliant. And then the
nose.
And
The mouth.
good, well done. Okay, so the nose and the mouth. What do the nose and the mouth do?
The nose and the mouth breathe in oxygen.
Okay, where is your trachea? Can you point to it on your body? That's where it ends. Okay, your trachea really is here. Okay, comes down here, probably finishes around here. Yeah, so your trachea is your windpipe in your throat. Okay, where is your diaphragm?
My diaphragm is...
Yeah, good, well done. So just underneath your lungs, right? Okay, what is the job of the diaphragm?
The diaphragm helps the lung to stretch
Good.
out
Good.
and then go back to normal.
Good, well done. So the diaphragm contracts and it pulls our lungs so they get bigger when we breathe in the oxygen, and then it contracts again so we can breathe out the carbon dioxide. Brilliant, okay. Oh, before we go on, what is the waste product of the
It's the
respiratory system?
CO2.
CO2,
Or
brilliant.
it's also called the carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
Good, carbon dioxide. Okay, the circulatory system. What is the main job of this system?
It will transfer blood and oxygen all around our body to help it grow.
Fantastic, good, well done. So we get the oxygen to every one of our cells. What are the main parts of the circulatory system?
The veins, the blood, the heart, and the lungs.
The lungs? What's this here?
It's the heart.
Good. So the circulatory system is the heart,
Heart,
the blood vessels. What blood vessels do we have?
the
artery,
artery, the
veins,
and
really small ones, capillaries. Okay, the capillaries are the smallest ones, right? So 4 parts, and they work together, okay, to take blood around our body. Good. Which artery takes blood away? Oh, sorry, which blood vessel takes blood away from the heart?
I think it's vein.
Nope. I told you there by accident. So it's the arteries, okay? The artery takes the blood away from the body, okay? Away from the heart, sorry. And then the veins take it into the heart. Brilliant. Okay, how do they work together?
The blood will get into the heart, and the lung will breathe in oxygen, and then the heart will beat, and the beat will transfer them all over to our veins.
Transfer them? What do you mean by them?
Transfer blood and cells.
What's in the blood?
Cells.
Blood cells, yeah, but what is the main thing inside the blood that we need?
The oxygen.
Good, okay. So you're saying that oxygen comes into our lungs, okay, we breathe it in, Then from the lungs it goes into the blood. Then the blood is pumped around our body in a circulatory system. Okay? Brilliant. Well done. Okay, your opinions on exercise. What do you think about it?
I think exercise are good for our health, and it will help our immune system to be better.
Okay. Good. Yep. Do you exercise?
No.
No? Why not?
Too lazy to do it.
Too lazy? What happens if you don't exercise then? Will you stay healthy?
Yes, because I run every day at school.
Okay, so this is exercise.
Oh.
Yeah? Exercise is running, getting your heart beating faster, okay? So exercise helps you to stay healthy, right? Okay, fantastic. That is the end of our speaking test. Well done, Trung. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Let's finish
Thank
there.
you very much.